Hello and welcome back. For those of you who've been following along my videos, good for you, it's well done. Today we're going to be drawing, getting the proportions of a human body. Um, it's always, people want to draw the human figure in all shapes and sizes and in all positions, but it's useful just to get the basics of the shapes right. Okay, I'm going to use centimeters. I'm taking 16 centimeters. This is the medial line of the body, the left and the right being basically the same. The human body can be divided into 8 parts, so we're going to take 2 centimeters for each part. I suggest you pause as you need to. Okay, there we go. We've got the basic shapes and the basic proportions. We're going to take, we know this as a unit. It's about the size of the human head. The human body, about 8 parts it can be divided into. And then we're going to double this up for the sideways effect. And we do another centimeter, so it's going to be 4 centimeters across. Did I do that properly? I'm doing this very roughly, again for the sake of speed, not wanting to. Let's go do lines across. We've got our diagram. There are many different methods that artists use to demonstrate this. This is just one of them. Some use ovals and everything. Okay, now let's start with the head, the first circle, and then the neck. Remember, the neck is about the width of the head, otherwise the head will flop about. And then this is about 1/3 of we're doing a male torso, male body. It's just as a demonstration. So 1/3, and then 2/3 for the torso, and then here we go across to the navel area, go out a bit, flare out a bit, and then we go to the crotch area, and then from here we go down to the knees. Let's put it there. Well, that's where they're supposed to go. See how the body is taking shape, and then go down to bottom legs. Look, each human is proportioned differently. This is just like a basic, it's like the human face that we drew, and this is just like a basic pattern for a human body. Obviously, when you get to young kids and babies and so on, their heads is far more, the heads are bigger, they're out of proportion, because the hair doesn't grow much after they are growing up. It's like, you know, sorry, I lose language when I'm talking, and that's a good thing. When I'm drawing, and that's a very good thing. It just makes me a little non-verbal when I'm busy sketching. There you've got the basic proportion of a human body, and then from there you can go fill it in. You can do a similar thing for the sideways, and then you can, from there on, you can go and reproportion and redraw in order to create features and shade it and make the eyes and the nose and the face and the neck and the human person standing there and whatever. I'm not just like messing around here. Okay, I'm going to stop the video so that I can upload it for you, and then from there on we can carry on. The next time I'm creating a video, I'd like to just talk about the inner critic. A very important thing, and something that I learned from Jessica Saran. She had a course that she was running about you know, your art and whatever. So I'm going to do that in the next video, and I think it's a very important one about your perspective and your view on your art. Okay, we're going there next time.